Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your permissions and the exact condition that caused the action not allowed message. This avoids chasing the wrong symptom. Once you have admin access, capture logs and note timestamps so you can correlate events later. Make sure to create a rollback point or backup configuration before you change anything. You will also identify any recent policy updates or role changes. This early evidence directs the next corrective actions and prevents further disruption. Next, you perform a focused audit of RBAC, group policies, and inherited permissions to find the exact denial. Once done, reproduce the error by elevating a single test account so you avoid system-wide changes. This isolates the rule causing the block. Then, modify only the specific policy or permission that's too restrictive, applying least privilege adjustments. Make sure to add comments or audit notes, explaining why you changed the rule so reviewers understand the rationale. Finally, validate your fix by running real user scenarios and confirming the action now completes. Deploy the change during a low-impact window and monitor logs and metrics for unexpected side effects. If you see problems, revert to the rollback point immediately and reevaluate. One key troubleshooting tip: if the denial persists, check cascading policies, service tokens, and caching layers. Stale caches often reapply old permissions. Make sure to document the final resolution and notify stakeholders about the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.